Some Kenmore dishwashers have the Ultra Wash HE Filtration system. This system consists of two parts, an upper filter assembly and a lower filter. These filters will need to be cleaned when visible objects or soils are on the upper filter assembly. When there is a degradation in cleaning performance, in other words, when soils are still present on dishes, or when dishes feel gritty to the touch. Cleaning your filter depends on how often you use your dishwasher, as well as dish preparation habits. Refer to your owner's manual on how often you should clean your filter. Note that if you have very hard water, above 15 grains, clean your filter at least once per month. Building up of white residue on your dishwasher indicates hard water. To find the right part for this and other do-it-yourself repairs, visit SearsPartsDirect.com or call Sears PartsDirect toll-free at 1-888-206-3622.